Hi, my name is Dr. Kim Makoi. I'm a holistic chiropractor in San Francisco, and this is how you get rid of hiccups in 10 seconds. Hiccups, while still a bit of a medical mystery, it's been fairly agreed upon now that it's usually caused from swallowing too much air or swallowing air quickly, either by eating too fast or drinking too fast, or being in a nervous state where somebody might be breathing a little faster than normal. So the fastest way to get rid of hiccups is to just stop, slow down your breathing, and take a nice deep breath in. Hold the breath for about 10 seconds. While you're holding your breath, maybe close your eyes or try to center yourself and calm down the system. And for most of you out there, that'll do it, and that'll end the hiccups. And that's basically how you get rid of hiccups in 10 seconds. There's lots of strange variations on how to stop the hiccups, varying from standing in different positions and drinking beverages from different angles from the glass. Basically, all of these things are aimed to do the same thing, which is to get the mind distracted and focused on one single thing and to try to get the body to slow down, basically. So if you just remember that your goal is to get the body to calm down, get the air back into the lungs and out of the gut, then you'll be good.